Hi guys, today we'll show you how to download your TikTok videos without Watermark. First, unlock your phone and open TikTok. Once TikTok is open, tap on the plus icon to start creating your video. Now tap on the Shorts option and then tap on the circle icon to start recording your video. Once you've finished recording, you can continue to the next step. After recording your video, tap on the check mark. Then tap on Watermark to access the available options. Now tap on More Options and scroll through the available options. Find Save and enable this option. Now check whether you have the Save Video Without Watermark option. This option may not be available for everyone. If you see it, enable the option. Now go back and tap on Everyone can view this post. From the available options, select Only You. Once Only You is selected, post the video. Your video will then be saved to your gallery without a watermark if the saved video without watermark option is available in your region. If you don't see the save video without watermark option, it may not be available in your region. In that case, there is no other method provided here, so you'll need to download the video with the watermark. And that's how you can download your TikTok videos without a watermark when the option is available. If this tutorial helped you, subscribe to Solution Lab and comment if you want more TikTok tutorials.